Hey, this is Joe Price. I just wanted to show you how to use the GeoHints app. We had this featured at the Just Serve booth at Roots Tech, and so I just wanted to show you how you can use it for your own surname or for a community project or for one of our bigger projects. So this is our GeoHint app. If you come over here, you can search by surname, location, or project. So for example, if you want to do it by surname, then just start to type the surname you want to do, and then click on it if it comes up in the list. And then notice all these dots. These are different hints for people that have, my surname. So then if you click on the dot, a little box will show up and you click on the box and then it'll take you into SourceLinker. And so you can see here that as I open these up, then I have to decide if this is a match. And if this is a match, then I can, add new people to the tree, attach sources. So this one looks like a great hint. You see that the parents' names are exactly the same. This kid kind of fits in within this framework. Now, granted, this kid was born in Salt Lake City. That's the only thing that has me kind of a little concerned. That's interesting. This was a baby that died, born and died. So I might do a little bit more research on this just to make sure. But this actually, especially with that middle initial, this one seems good. So I'm going to hit add, and then I'm going to standardize the place over here. And then I've just, added a new person to the tree. And I'll probably go in and, do a little bit more research on this family, maybe even see how I'm related. Let me just show that really quick. So here's this new person I've just added. And if you have a unique surname, then, maybe you'll discover that you're related to a lot of these people. So it doesn't have a known relationship for me, but that's, this is we're providing service to kind of help grow the tree, and sometimes they're related to us. We can also do it by location. So I'm going to be doing a project in Pueblo, Colorado really soon. So if I click on that, see a bunch of dots. If I kind of zoom in, then these are all hints for Pueblo, Colorado. So if I click here, then I kind of takes me again right here into SourceLinker. And then, I can kind of go through this and decide if it's a match. The third way to use SourceLinker is through projects. So recently we just set up a project for Just Serve called America 250. So if you click on that, then all these dots, you can see there's about 192,000 hints left. All these dots are hints that we could do. And so as you click on that dot, then you can see here's a link that we could explore. Now this person's born after 1916, so we wouldn't add them to the tree unless we knew that they were deceased. But in this case, I might go on Ancestry or see if I can find a death record for this person. Okay, so that's kind of the three ways to use GeoHints. You've got surname, location, and projects. And I just want to show one other thing about GeoHints. If you click these three bars at the top, you can change the difficulty level. Right now we just have record hints, but soon we'll have other tasks. And then if you see this button that says tree extending, I would probably turn it on because tree extending hints are ones that tend to add a new person to the family tree. And then that way, once you've activated those options, then they will apply to any one of these three things that you do. Well, thanks for giving GeoHints a try. And I just want to emphasize that what GeoHints does, it's just a traffic director. Every time you click on one of those dots, it's taking you back to Family Search into SourceLinker on Family Search. So if you need help learning how to use SourceLinker, there's a lot of great resources for how to use SourceLinker, or you could go to a Family Search Center and ask for some help. But really, the neat thing about these hints is many of them have the potential to either add new people to the tree or add information about people that are already in the tree that we don't currently know.